Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air 4 Lite on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDPEATS. Now search, and you should install this application what called SOUNDPEATS. Now open it, click apply to add your earbuds. And we did it! That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!